Meet Pilot AI, a powerful assistant from TelePilot Pro. And the best part? It is completely free. Pilot AI can do a lot. It answers your questions, writes replies, turns long ideas into simple bullet points, and even drafts FAQ answers, all right inside your browser. Want to try it? You do not even need an account, just start typing. As a guest, you get one free message. Ask it anything like, explain Telegram flood weight simply, and Pilot AI answers in seconds. Need more than one message? Just create a free account. You get unlimited Pilot AI chat, protected by fair use. No credit card and no catch. And once you are signed in, every conversation is saved neatly in your sidebar, so you can always come back and pick up right where you left off. Now for developers, this part is for you. Pilot AI comes with a free public API. Just grab a free API key and you can call Pilot AI straight from your own apps. Using it is simple. Send a post request to the chat endpoint with your message in the body and your key in the header. Pilot AI replies instantly with a clean JSON response. It works with a bearer token or an API key. To keep things fast and fair for everyone, there are soft limits. About 60 requests per minute and 2,000 per day. Go over and you will simply get a friendly retry after. No penalties. So let us recap. Free chat. One free guest message. Unlimited use when you sign in. Saved history. And a free public API. All in one place. That is Pilot AI. Free AI for everyone. Head to telepilotpro.com and try it free today. Off.